My name is Lynn Watanabe MacFarlane, and I'm with Intero Real Estate Services. I'd like to invite you to tomorrow, August the 17th, which is a Saturday. The Housing Trust of Silicon Valley, as well as AARP, are hosting the event called Small Houses, Big Impact, and it's all about ADUs. ADU stands for Accessory Dwelling Unit, and you may think about it as the little cottages in the back or an in-law unit or granny flat. They're commonly known as that. And those are really fabulous. If you're thinking of building one and you're a homeowner and you're not quite sure about your plans, or if you have an ADU plan, come on by. Please register. I think the workshop is almost full, but the resource workshop is, you could still come. And at the resource fair, there'll be lenders, contractors, city planners, and me. I'll be there, and I'll be showing you some of the accessory dwelling units that already exist and they're for sale, because not everyone has the time or patience to build on, and they might want to live with their grandma or somebody who is disabled, or you want a big house so that you can have like an internet party or something. I don't know. Anyway, but they're really great. So come on by August the 17th, which is tomorrow, and I hope to meet you. Bye.